I have some exciting upcoming courses and products for this month of February. But before we go into that, let's talk about some of the challenges that I've been having. Now, support has been a bit of a challenge for me because a lot of you have signed up for the lifetime membership and also have bought my courses. So a lot of the problems that I've been having, I've just been trying to play catch up because it's quite a lot of tickets that I need to be attending to. So the solution to that is I am actually looking for someone to help me with support. The second thing is password reset. Now, this has also been a challenge. I'm not really sure what the problem is here. It could be some plugins that are conflicting, but it's still something that I'm trying to fix and is really frustrating. So as a result, I'm having to send the password reset link to every single person that requests for it. But ideally, this would work really cool if this was automatic. All right, so let's talk about what was released in January. So in January, Divi Jumpstart was released. This is a beginner's course for anyone getting started with Divi. This is a course, once completed, you'll be very comfortable finding your way around Divi and also designing really super fast with all the keyboard shortcuts and all the tips and tricks that I share in this course. It's still available to purchase, but for lifetime members, it is absolutely free. Now, let's talk about the other product that was released as well in January, and this was Worldcrafter theme. This is a Divi WooCommerce theme that comes packed with so much stuff. Once you install this template, it has all your checkout pages, cart pages, all your product pages. Pretty much, it's like your whole website is designed for you. All you have to do is to go in and add your products and also some information on a few pages. Otherwise, this is a complete template. It also comes with a style guide, which means all your buttons, your fonts, your blurbs, and all that kind of stuff is already pre-designed for you. Again, it's available on sale. I haven't increased the price yet, so you might want to go and check it out after this. So let's talk about February. I am super excited because February has two courses which I think are very important for any designer. Now, the reason why I say that is because sometimes, we talk about all these different types of websites that we can design, but without these two courses, it's going to be very difficult to produce a professionally looking website. So first of all, it's going to be the WordPress beginner's course. Now, currently I have the WordPress course, but it's a bit dated. I'm going to be doing an updated version of this course. It's absolutely free, by the way. All you have to do is to go onto my website, funnelstoincome.com, and sign up for it. Now, let's talk about the course, which I think is very important. And this is going to be called Design Fundamentals for Web Designers. Design is key in web design because sometimes you can design a website which has all the functionality, but without the actual design, the colors, the aesthetics, it won't look really professional. So I dialed a bit back to go back to the basics of design so that I can teach you the fundamentals of how to choose colors, your base colors, your colors for your websites, the contrast, how you need to be using these colors, and all the tools that I use to choose colors effectively online. I'll also be talking about layouts themselves. I'll be talking about typography, how to choose them, the advantages of some of the type of fonts that we're going to be using. And I'll also be talking about photography and how you can use it to make your websites look really awesome. So this is a course that I think every designer needs to go through in order for them to design professional looking websites. Now, I'll also be releasing what I'm calling Divi Super Colors. These are color palettes which are ready to use. All you have to do is to just install them on your Divi website, and pretty much you have your color palette. You can just start designing right away. So what makes Divi Super Colors awesome is the fact that all these colors follow color harmonies, and these colors will be grouped in such a way that they can be used on specific industries. Now, I know a lot of you ask me about the membership, and I want to remind you again that once you join the lifetime membership, it is absolutely free to access anything that I create in the future, and you also have access to everything which is currently in the library. I haven't increased the price yet, so you may want to take advantage of this right away, because in particular, this course that I'll be releasing in February is going to be going for $147. So that is pretty much halfway to your lifetime membership, which gives you access to everything that we have on the site and future stuff as well. So it is really value for money. And also Divi Super Colors will be $19. But as I mentioned before, all this is going to be absolutely free for lifetime members. All right, so if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments box. I'm really, really sorry for those of you that I haven't responded your tickets in time. It's just that I'm really overwhelmed and I'm still trying to catch up. But I promise I'll get this sorted as soon as possible. All right, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.